Okay, the next thing that you can export is this 3D point cloud and drone trajectory. If you need to process it or view it in another third-party software, you can go to Project, Export, Map and Trajectory. You can select a destination. Select Export. So this will export the associated data with this flight, which is one of them is gas module, which you might need it. And then you will get the map and the trajectory. So here, if you pay attention, we only selected a part of the flight, not the entire flight, from beginning to the minute 1 and 50 seconds. So this is what you get from this flight. You're not going to export the entire flight, but the part of the flight that you have manually selected. So if you need to have the entire flight, you have to change your timestamp filtering. Okay, let's see what we get here. We get gas module, we get a map in the LAZ format. We get very simple subtitle, CSV file that you can see here, timestamp, distance, and POI. We get the trajectory. So, okay, let's see how can we display them in a third-party software. Put this here. I drag the map here and click on the apply all. And as you can see, this is our point cloud. Now I can also drag the trajectory here. And the first column, of course, is the timestamp, so I can just safely ignore it. Then I have X, Y, Z, and here the first column is orientation, which is a quaternion X, Y, Z, and W. So the order is important. W is the last one. In some convention, the W is the first one, but in our convention, it's a start with the X. Okay, so you can escape the first column, which is contains the name. I click on the apply. All right. First of all, I will disable the trajectory, so we could only see the point cloud. Then I click on the shader to resize the point and have a better visualization. Here we can see the inside of the model that the drone just flew through. And here you can disable the point cloud and only enable the trajectory. Basically, every frame that you see here, X, Y, Z, representing the orientation of the drone during the flight. And as you can see, we made we go straight. Here we made a turn, went to the bottom, and then we came back. And here we made a U-turn here. So here you can play with different filters here and see which one works better for you.